Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your FaceTime, specifically where it's just not activating. So what this looks like is essentially you try to go into your FaceTime app, and for some reason I don't have it anywhere. So essentially you'll have an app like this, and it may not be, successfully going through. Now there's a couple ways to go ahead and fix this, and most of the time it is a pretty easy fix. All you have to do is, it sounds so crazy, the first thing I'd recommend doing is go into your settings app. You want to scroll down into your general settings right here. You want to go into date and time, which is right here. And all you want to do is make sure that your date and time settings are accurate to exactly where you are. So if you're in New York, then you want your, date and time zone to be New York. You can also set it automatically, which is what I would recommend. You want to make sure you're in the proper time zone of where you're at. If you're not, this is going to cause a lot of problems for you. And I've tried this before. This is the number one thing that most people run into an issue with. You want to make sure this is either set automatically or you're in the correct time zone, because if you're not, then it's not going to work out for you. If you fix this, if this fixes it, then you're pretty much set. That's it. Let's say you do this and it still doesn't work. Well, what I would recommend doing at this point is hopping out and coming back into your settings just like so. You then want to pretty much scroll down into FaceTime. So you'll see FaceTime down here, you want to click on it, and essentially you'll see either the toggle off or on, or you'll see it grayed out. If it's grayed out, then I don't know what to do about that. But if it's, turned off like this, all you have to do is toggle it back on and see if that fixes it. Now, most of the time you've already tried this and this didn't work out. So verifying your network connections, as I always say, is essentially the main thing you can do after the date and time setting thing. So you want to go into your Wi-Fi or your cell connection, and you want to make sure those things are set up properly. If you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or cell connection, then you should be set for the most part. That is essentially one of the biggest things and the biggest problems that most people will probably end up having, is that their Wi-Fi or cell connections are not set up properly. So you're not going to be able to recover or get any good information. Obviously, the data is not going to work. So all you have to do there, verify that you're connected to a good Wi-Fi or cell connection, and then hop back into your FaceTime, and then try to go ahead and toggle this on and off. Typically, you should be good for the most part, and this is probably the one area I would recommend looking at the most. If this still doesn't fix it, I would recommend restarting your iPhone or updating your iPhone. Those are some things I would probably recommend doing, but probably it's the date and time, or it's the, cellular connection problem. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.